Hi, my name is Michael Tung and I am currently a high school student in advanced engineering courses, and in this YouTube channel I will be teaching the basics of how to CAD, what it is, and how it works. So for this first introductory video I will just be explaining what CAD is and the basic dynamics of it, why it's useful, how it's used, and what I hope to achieve in these videos. So CAD, or computer aided design, is any sort of software that allows people to design products or things online. Some examples include Autodesk Inventor, SketchUp, and Tinkercad. And in these series of videos, I will mainly be covering Autodesk Inventor because in my opinion, I think it is the most versatile program, but at some point along the line, I may touch base with other programs as well. So CAD is useful because many engineers use it every day to design products such as shelves, tables, chairs, car rims, tools, and many other more. Any product used at home has probably been designed by CAD, and learning it is a great way to expand your knowledge on engineering. So if you're a student at a public university or even in high school, you should be able to get Autodesk Inventor for free on Windows through a student license. But if you have a Mac, you're going to want to use Boot Camp or any other software that allows you to get Windows onto your Mac because it is not compatible with Mac, unfortunately. So assuming that you have Autodesk Inventor downloaded, I'll see you in the next video.